Hello everyone, I've got a washi tape unboxing and project to share with you today. Here's a sneak peek. Let me just take these out. So this is what the washi tape shop have very kindly sent me. Let me tumble these out of the bag. The packaging is always absolutely gorgeous. I am so excited about taking a look at these. Always come wrapped in this beautiful tissue paper with stickers on the end. So let's unpeel this and see what's inside. This one here. Just look how absolutely gorgeous these tapes are. I unwrapped all of my washi tape and oh my goodness me, I am absolutely thrilled to bits. I didn't choose these were ones that the washi tape shop chose for me. Let me show you these in more detail. This is a regular strip of washi tape. They have got a backing, so you will need to peel this off. This is a protective backing and just shows the quality of the tape. A lot of their own original designs have this backing on them, so that one there is regular tape, as is this one here as well, so that's got the backing. And then these two designs, so let me just move those ones above. These two here are sticker sets, so they just peel off really easily. So you've got the postage stamp, this beautiful design here, and they just peel off so that you can use them like stickers. This is set 2, so a beautiful Japanese design. Another botanical set. Let me just pop these off to one side. This is what these look like, and these are stickers again. So you can just peel these up like this. All three designs are stickers. And set 4 is the black and white set. The top design is tape and the next two are stickers. Whoops, got that one the wrong way round. So again, you can peel these up individually. You've got these little tags here. This one here is my absolute favourite. Just look at this. So translucent, like sellotape with flowers on. And the designs just go on and on and on. I just can't seem to find a pattern repeat. Oh, here we go. I think... no, we're still going on. There are just so many different designs in this roll here. And finally, the last item I received is this gorgeous bag. It's the most beautiful soft velvet. Inside here are two wooden stamps. I've already removed the plastic packaging. These were wrapped in plastic as well, and I've already undone that just to save you the noise. But just look how beautiful these are. So I will look forward to trying these out. They've both got the washi tape shop logo branding on one end. Now I just want to see if I can make a project using just one of these sets for today. I've chosen this vintage set here, which I think is quite versatile. I know that not everybody can afford to buy 5 sets at once. So let's see what we can do with this. And I'm going to try and make a masterboard. Now I'm going to use the bits and pieces that I've already cut out from the pieces that I showed you. Let me just trim these down to start off with. I'll be trying my absolute hardest not to overthink this. Let me just make sure that my page is in camera. So let's take this off. I'm going to use a glue stick just to add a bit of extra glue and stick the first piece down. So that's got some glue stick on it. So that one can go there. I need a bone folder. And I'm just going to stick the other pieces down as well. That's the first layer, and you can see that I've got these going in different orientations. Next up, I want to introduce some colour using this washi tape here. I've got the strip that I originally cut, and let's have a look. Don't overthink it, just cut these into some smaller pieces and we'll just stick these down. I've also cut off another strip as well, because I know that this small piece here isn't going to be enough for what I want to do. So let me just show you. I think I'm just going to stick this down like this. I've also got another strip. Let's cut these into some smaller pieces as well, not overthinking the size of them. And again, we can just glue some of these down perhaps. Doesn't really matter where they go, just to add a bit of colour and interest. I also decided to pull out a couple of other washi tapes. This is from a previous set that I reviewed, and we'll just add a few of these as well. Let's have some larger ones as well. So maybe we can have one down here, for instance. We can have one at the top. I'm just going to try and space these around what we've got so far. I also want to use a couple of neutral type washi tapes as well, because otherwise we're just going to end up with too busy a pattern. These are just a couple that I've pulled out of my stash, and I'm just going to cut a couple of pieces of this off and just pop these down in various places. I'm still adding glue to all of my washi pieces with a glue stick. And so now I just want to try and add some interest with some of these beautiful stickers. Again, just, you know, trying not to overthink where these go. Just popping these down. Whoops, I've forgotten my glue. And of course, if I don't use glue, I just run the risk that these are not going to stay put. So worth the extra effort, in my opinion. So we'll have one here, and I'm just going to put a few of these stickers. We did have some postage stamps as well. Now let's try one of these. I think that would be nice to fill in this gap. I keep recycling my deli wrap. When it starts to get really sticky with glue, I'll put it off to one side for the glue to dry, and then I can use it for my next project. So nothing ever goes to waste. We'll pop that over the top there. So I'm just going to use some of these to fill in some of these gaps. See that the middle of my masterboard now is completely filled in, and all I want to do is just add some details just to the plainer areas. I've added glue stick already. I have one of these here perhaps. Which way round do I want that to go? There, I think. Just trying to dress up these plainer borders. Let's have another one just in this corner here. Use another one of these beautiful roses. I think these are just so pretty. Don't overthink where it goes. That one's curled up on itself. Let's try and sort that out. Here's my finished masterboard, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm chuffed to bits with this. You could whiz up a whole batch of these in different themes and colourways. For instance, you could do a Japanese themed one with this set here. You could do a black and white themed one with this set here. Just so many different options. So what I want to do now is cut this up to make some ephemera for journals, maybe some tags, some journal cards, etc. The best way to do this is to choose the bits and pieces that I like the best. I absolutely love this portion here of the masterboard. In fact, there is very little of it that I don't like, so I'm going to try not to overthink it. Which way around do I want it to go? I'm just going to cut this at 3 inches, I think. That's what that looks like, and this measures just under 30 centimetres, or just under 12 inches. So I've made a mark in the middle, and I'm just going to cut this in half. Try not to overthink it. There we go, that will do. So I've got myself 2 gorgeous tags. Let me just cut the corners off. So we can, I like mine on a slant. I'm just going to try and have it in line with the angle of this little label here. Let's move that over to the other side and do the other corner, just so that those are symmetrical. You don't have to do this, of course, but you know, I like mine to be even. I think I'd like to cut a couple of artist trading cards. Which side do I like the best? I think I like this side here, so let's do that next. So we'll cut this one at 2.5 inches. So that's there. So we've got that piece left over. So How do I want to cut these so that I've got some really nice artist trading cards? Of course, artist trading cards are 2.5 by 3.5 inches. So let's do this end first. I think I like this end the best. That's beautiful. I love it. That's perfect. I think we'll do 3.5 inch this way as well. I'm going to have a little bit left over that we need to decide what to do with, but isn't that pretty? I could do with adding something here, I feel, but we'll deal with that in a second. And then we need to do something with this one. I think I'm going to cut 3.5 this way. So we have managed to get 3 artist trading cards out of these as well. Got this tiny little scrap left over, which I think is adorable. We could put a lovely little quote on that, and that would just be a nice way to dress up a collage. This final strip here measures, I think it's 2 3/4 or 2 7/8. So I am thinking that maybe 5.5 would be about the right size for that. So let's cut a strip of each end. What did I say? I said 5.5, didn't I? So let's cut that at 5.5 and do it at this end here as well. And then we'll have another little leftover bit as well. But we've got 2 more gorgeous tags. Beautiful. Just love how those have turned out. And again, I'm just going to use the tags that I made before just to cut my corners, save any messing around. Composition of these are just absolutely gorgeous. I love these ones, but these 2 here, I just feel as if they need something else. We've got this patch here which looks a little bit bare, so I've pulled out one of the little quotes which says "with love," so I'm just going to glue that down. I need to go and grab my glue stick, but that's going to go there like that. And then I thought this one here, it says "common uses of lavender," so I thought we could have the lavender from this set here and just add one of these, which I think would be the perfect finishing touch. I've managed to curl this one up, but you know, I can just have that there. I'm calling that done. I couldn't stop adding to this one here. I ended up adding a couple more stickers as well, and that just looks more balanced to me. So let me just show you what I've got. 3 artist trading cards. These could even be used as card toppers. 2 smaller size tags. Gorgeous, absolutely love these. I will end up adding tea or coffee stained paper to the backs of these, and some ribbons or threads to the tags as well. These are the larger tags. In fact, this one is slightly smaller than this one here, but aren't they beautiful? And then just a couple of leftover scraps that I can maybe add a quote or something like that too. But I think that was really productive. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and it's given you some ideas as to how to use washi tape. I will of course leave the links to the tapes that I've shown you today in the description box below, so you know, if you're interested, that's where you'll find them. But if you've enjoyed today's video, as always, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. Do let me know what you think in the comments below, but most importantly, thanks for watching. Take care everyone, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.